All right, to the ice, the Avalanche needing a win to match the most wins in a season, hosting West Bend West. Third period, Avalanche with the puck, looking to find the back of the net. R.J. Katzma stops the shot, so the Avalanche lead 2-1 at that point. West Bend with it now, looking for a quick wrister, but glove saved by Mason Kelm. So the Avalanche still lead by 1. Bears have the puck again. A trip, a slip, and a loose puck. And who's got it? Owen Hain. He drills it home for the goal. And the Avalanche take down West Bend West. 3-1 is your final.